across the street from Castle Makers in Greencastle. I went in for about 10 minutes to nerd out on the technology projects they're doing with Raspberry Pi, which is a little tiny computer in a little tiny box that you can program and make it do a lot of amazing things. Yeah, let's get the headlight turned back on. There we go. We're gonna, on the way home, go past DePauw. I haven't figured out in what ways I'm going to use this GoPro camera. I've had it for about a half a year. Hadn't done that much with the GoPro, but it is a versatile little camera. It's pretty good video quality, and surprisingly, all the bumps I've been over with this e-bike, the video remains smooth. We're on the east side of downtown Greencastle. One more car coming. I'm going to wait for it to be very, very clear of traffic, because I've got Elizabeth crossing the street behind me in her mountain bike. Okay, I think we can go now. Crossing East Washington Street, going up Vine Street. To my right is the building with Wilson Photography, and up ahead to my right is the Greencastle Post Office, and to my left ahead of me is the Putnam County Library. Yet another Greencastle street is closed to traffic. Yep, just keep right. I'm going to stop here and let him get around. Street. We'll make a left here and go up Seminary, heading east past the Fluttering Duck. Fluttering Duck is in the building on my right. Since we're on bicycles, we can just cut right through the center of campus. Under 5 miles per hour. Such a beautiful evening. I think we'll make a couple of loops on the sidewalk. There's somebody else over there on a bicycle, so this time of night there's not much foot traffic. Not sure how well this GoPro will work here on a street light lit campus. I think it degrades the video quality quite a bit with slow light. I don't think the GoPro is quite as capable as an iPhone for nighttime. Any pedestrians? Actually, campus is a really nice place for a night ride because, you know, potholes, just as smooth as can be. I think we'll make a right here and continue up through campus. No, because I won't, it'll probably be next week before I publish this video. That's intriguing.
That is intriguing.
Is that jets of water with light? I have never seen that before. More of a red than orange. I didn't even know this existed. I've never walked up along here before. That is cool. Let me turn off the headlight. Hope that comes through well on the GoPro, but that is really cool. Very cool. I'm going to turn on the, well, let me turn off my light if you're trying to get a good picture. Actually, I'll try and get a picture too. It found to be a lot better than a screen capture off the GoPro. Turn off your headlights. It is really cool. Yeah, the iPhone is pretty good for nighttime photos.
I'm not sure how to turn out on mine.
I got a couple of friends texting me here, so I'm gonna send back the photo I just took, leaving them wondering, where the heck am I? Not in a position where I can type out a message very easily. So I just sent a picture instead. That's pretty cool. Well, I'm going to turn on both the flashlight. That's the Emerald MS-03. That's the world's most powerful EDC everyday carry flashlight. It's only a few inches long, fits in your pocket. I like it real well. And I use it as a supplemental bike light. There's the main light on the bicycle, on the e-bike. This is a HeyBike BRAWN, HeyBike BRAWN. Let's see if I can get all the way through here without contending with any steps. These might be some steps coming up though. Yep. And I don't want to go bouncing down the steps. I mean, I can do it on this bike just fine, but well, you probably could with a little practice. So we're going to head north. This is the campus of DePauw University, Greencastle, Indiana. An absolutely beautiful campus. Incredibly well maintained. Continue on through campus. We're in the center of campus, DePauw University, heading south. Definitely a bicycle-friendly campus.